Hi, in this video tutorial I'm gonna go through the GREEBLE modifier to create a basic city with streets and buildings. So to start with, I'm gonna create a plane. I'm gonna change the parameters to maybe 200 by 200. I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna create some streets with lines. I'm gonna enable them in renderer and enable them in viewport. I'm gonna make it rectangular. I'm gonna make the width 5. I'm just gonna draw small ones, maybe 3. Oh, sorry, 6. I'm just gonna draw another one. Maybe 3. Close this one and make it a bit wider, maybe 10. Yep. I'm gonna convert this ones. Sorry, I'm gonna convert this one to editable poly. So I'm gonna, yeah, seems a bit thin to me. Yep. Gonna convert then this one to editable poly, and I'm gonna attach the other ones to it. Oof. Okay. Once I'm done, I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna go to create. Gonna choose under shapes. I'm gonna choose compound objects. I'm gonna do a pro boolean, and I'm gonna select my plane. So I'm gonna do pro boolean on my plane, and I'm gonna do it as subtraction, and I'm gonna put cookie, and I'll go down. If I scroll a bit down, I will just see here it's we'll click on this one, and I'm just gonna start picking, and I'm gonna pick my shapes, and here I have my road subtraction. So if I want to change my quad size, I can go for maybe 5. Yeah, a bit bigger. Yeah, seems nice. Yeah. I'm gonna convert my plane to editable poly, and I'm gonna select the polygons. I'm gonna do an insert by polygon. I'm gonna do a bit of maybe 5, maybe 100. Now I need to select them first. Insert. Oops. Maybe the left one. Oh, yeah. So yeah, seems good. We'll just put yes. And I need to change my object color since it's too red. Yeah. this is more clear. So now I'm gonna add my GREEBLE modifier on top of my polygon. So I'm gonna choose GREEBLE. That's good. If I go here, the minimum height, I'm gonna choose it maybe as 4, and the maximum height maybe 30. I don't want to taper. I'm not sure why it's doing that. I'll just go back and see. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to my polygons. Maybe I will do a different insert. I think I just maybe do something wrong is here, so cancel. Yeah. I'll change the I'll that's not bad. So now if I apply my GREEBLE modifier, and I will put the minimum height as 4, as I said. I'm gonna put the maximum one as 30. The taper is just control how the building rise up. So I can put it 0, so there is no line, no taper in them. And I can generate any widget, so I can add. So the mini size I can put it 10 or 5, or the maximum height I can add 3. I can add anything, and but I think I'm just gonna turn off the widget now, and I'm gonna make this one maybe 20. And the nice thing I can do is I'm gonna select tops, and I'm gonna add another GREEBLE. So the minimum height of 4 and the maximum height of 30, or maybe 20. It seems a bit high, so I'm just gonna make this one less. Yeah, so I can apply 2 materials. So, and I can turn the widgets for that. So the material ID is 2, and this material ID is 1. You can see there is the density here. I can put more here. Sorry, here I can put more widgets or not. I'm thinking about applying a material. So I'm just gonna go to my rendering setup. I'm just gonna put my V-Ray. I'll apply, and go to environment, choose a V-Ray exposure, make a V-Ray sun. Yes, I'm just gonna go to my viewports and to see my sun here. I'm just gonna move it up there. I'm gonna make the institute maybe 0.5. If I want to apply a material, just press M. Just apply just a random material, a V-Ray one, or just V-Ray MLT, and I'm just gonna go down to maps and choose. I'm just gonna choose a bitmap as concrete, and I'm gonna apply it for my just gonna choose my GREEBLE. I'm gonna apply it to it, and if I wanna do also I'm gonna do a V-Ray plane, and I'm gonna add a material of here I'm gonna add a V-Ray MLT. I'm gonna make it as color kind of a bluish color. Here, and I'm gonna add it to my V-Ray plane. Oops. Yep. So if I want to do some rendering just to see the result, yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my tutorial for today. Thank you for watching.